Mastering colons and semicolons, the logistics of clear writing. Present continuous. Logistics coordinator is managing the warehouse like a port. If operations manager is standing outside, operations manager is seeing only containers. If logistics coordinator is working inside, logistics coordinator is noticing every task receiving attention. Past continuous. Logistics coordinator was managing the warehouse like a port. If operations manager was standing outside, operations manager was seeing only containers. If logistics coordinator was working inside, logistics coordinator was noticing every task receiving attention. Future continuous. Logistics coordinator will be managing the warehouse like a port. If operations manager will be standing outside, operations manager will be seeing only containers. If logistics coordinator will be working inside, logistics coordinator will be noticing every task receiving attention. Present perfect continuous. Logistics coordinator has been managing the warehouse like a port. If operations manager has been standing outside, operations manager has been seeing only containers. If logistics coordinator has been working inside, logistics coordinator has been noticing every task receiving attention. Past perfect continuous. Logistics coordinator had been managing the warehouse like a port. If operations manager had been standing outside, operations manager had been seeing only containers. If logistics coordinator had been working inside, logistics coordinator had been noticing every task receiving attention. Future perfect continuous. Logistics coordinator will have been managing the warehouse like a port. If operations manager will have been standing outside, operations manager will have been seeing only containers. If logistics coordinator will have been working inside, logistics coordinator will have been noticing every task receiving attention. Follow us for more interesting content like this.